I was trying to measure temperature via thermal camera, but application told me that I shouldn't point my thermal camera on the infrared radiation source. So looks like it's not the best idea. Okay, let's just wait. Thermocouple in package doesn't look good in this scenario because it is heavy and in a metal capsule, so thermal inertia is pretty heavy, so I'm not sure that temperature is correct. Anyway, I can put my finger here. Not so hot, not even hot. That will be the case, I hope. Looks like it reached 240, and just keep it interesting why. Okay, it is acceptable result, so I'm going to turn it down and continue assembling. Okay, it doesn't like when I point it to the heaters. It shows 194 degrees. Sorry, 84. Okay. Looks like the surface of heaters much hotter than thermocouple. That's why it's not able to show the temperature, true temperature. Maybe next time I'll use pyrometer or thermocouple from multimeter. I think I've done for today.